Another Padma Award and another controversy. Now, a war seems to be breaking out over superstar Mammootty's Padma Award. Well, the Kerala Chief Minister, Pinarayi Vijayan, has said that there has been a delay as far as giving a Padma Award to Mammootty is concerned. Remember, he is a towering figure in the Malayalam film industry. And the Chief Minister has said that we have repeatedly raised a Padma demand for Mammootty, but it has come late. In fact, he says that now we do rejoice Mammootty's Padma Award, but we have continuously asked for this award for him. Remember, Padma Bhushan has been conferred on the superstar in this list in 2026. Let's listen to what exactly has been said by the Chief Minister.
ഞങ്ങൾക്കെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കേരളത്തിലെ മന്ത്രിസഭയ്ക്ക് ഇപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും ആ സന്തോഷത്തിൽ പങ്കുചേരാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞതിലും നല്ല സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. കാരണം കഴിഞ്ഞ കുറേ വർഷങ്ങളായി ഞങ്ങൾ ഈ ശുപാർശ ഇങ്ങനെ നൽകിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പത്മഭൂഷൺ മമ്മൂട്ടിക്ക് നൽകണം എന്ന ശുപാർശ. എല്ലാറ്റിനും അതിൻ്റേതായ കാലമുണ്ടല്ലോ. ഏതായാലും ഇപ്പോൾ അത് നൽകി എന്നത് ഏറ്റവും സന്തോഷകരമായ കാര്യമാണ്. അദ്ദേഹത്തെ നമുക്ക് ഹാർദമായി അഭിനന്ദിക്കാം.
And joining us now is India Today's Shibi Mol KG. Shibi Mol, there has been a long time between when he got his Padma Shri and now Padma Bhushan has been conferred, and it seems that the Chief Minister has taken note of it. And from what he's saying, I believe he must have recommended or nominated his name multiple times then.
Well, exactly, Anjali. In fact, Mammootty received his Padma Shri award back in the 90s, in 1998 or 99, around that time. It was in the 90s that he received his Padma Shri award. He's receiving the Padma Bhushan after more than 20 years. Well, that was not the case with the other superstar here, Mohanlal, who received the Padma Bhushan much before. Both Mammootty and Mohanlal are cultural figures. For any Malayali, their day almost starts and ends with these superstars. That's the kind of influence these two people have had in the lives of Malayalis and Malayali audience. So, what Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan is trying to say is that we have recommended his name multiple times in the last many years, but it has not been given. So finally, after so many years, he's being awarded, and we take great pride and joy in it. When he says he mentions the state cabinet, because state cabinet have been recommending his name multiple times. For the last few years, there have been major criticism from various ends that Mammootty is being ignored at the national level for his politics. He's a known left supporter. He's the chairman of the CPIM party channel here also, but also somebody who maintains very good relations across all political parties and with all politicians in the state. So his political decisions and his political lenience have affected his chances, is what a lot of times criticisms have emerged, not just with the Padma Awards, but also with national awards, because he've delivered some terrific performances in the last many years. Prakash Raj has multiple times criticized, saying that Mammootty, the national awards doesn't deserve Mammootty. It's compromised, and that's why he's not being given the award. A lot of times, many politicians in Kerala have also come out saying about this. So it's in that context also that Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan is taking a jibe at the center, saying that it's been delayed, and finally we are happy that at least now the award is being given to him.
Right. Thank you, Shibi, for all those details and that detailed analysis.